We have a clean JennAir Downdraft Cooktop available for sale. You can see from that test shown to you at 2x speed that all the burners spark just fine. This is a really clean downdraft cooktop with all the parts. Everything's working great. The downdraft is in great clean condition. It is now set up for propane, but you can have it reset for gas if you prefer. There is some wear where the markings for the knobs was originally printed. You can see that some of that has rubbed off. And here you can see what it looks like without the burner plates. It's a very clean cooktop, ready to install, ready to enjoy for years to come. Because of the downdraft feature of this cooktop, there is no need for an overhead hood taking up all of that space in your kitchen. This cooktop is ready to pick up fully assembled in Vermont, right on the border of New Hampshire. If you're making a trip here or if you live in the area, it's ready to pick up. We can also disassemble it for shipping if necessary, but we'd prefer to leave it all intact, ready to assemble, ready for you to install. To contact us about purchasing, please just leave a comment where you see this video play. Thanks so much.